Hi, Sanju. Om Shanti.
Hello, ma'am. Om Shanti.
So you are new.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Today is first day. Maybe some network issue, I think.
I'm audible to you or not?
Yes, of course.
Okay. तो ये पहली क्लास है आपकी?
जी.
अच्छा.
Actually, मैंने कल ही सर्च किया तो मुझे दिखा इसलिए just curiosity है. I zoomed.
अच्छा, जूम
I
पे
joined
है.
here.
कोई नहीं, गुड. तो वीडियोस भी अवेलेबल हैं कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आने के लिए. पिछली वीडियोस भी देख लेना अगर क्यूरियोसिटी आज की क्लास से जाग जाए तो. ठीक है, रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन अवेलेबल है, वो देख लेना. फ्री जूम क्लासेस हैं तो कोई भी देख सकता है, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. तो रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन भी अवेलेबल है.
Okay.
चल. So welcome to the Ayurveda class. Let's start the sit. Come into the sitting posture. Keep your back, neck straight, aligned, relax. Bring the alignment. And gently close your eyes. Go into the posture. Now, very slowly observe the natural pure breath, how the breath going in and coming out. Now take a deep, prolonged, slow inhalation, deep, prolonged, slow exhalation. Inhale and exhale. Now, prepare yourself for the 3-time chanting along with Shanti. Inhale for the Om. Shanti. 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 Join your both palms. Grab the palm. Place on your eyes. Feel the warmness. Very slowly while blinking, looking at your palm, gently open up your eyes with a great smile. Om Shanti. So, yeah, Om Shanti, yeah. So, guys, at what we did in previous session, किसी को पता है तो Saloni, Pooja, any idea about it? What we did?
We discussed about when should we have water, what should be the sitting posture.
Yes, moderation diet.
And Mithahar.
Moderate diet and how we talked about it. Very good. So we are talking about the mitahar, like how one person should eat, right? And like morning time, how the food should be chewed properly. That's we discussed about it. Then water, when one person should take the water. I discussed about it, right? I covered that thing that before 1 hour and after the 1 hour meal to take the water.
Yes.
So now we also talked about the circle, right? The 50% should be the food and the 20-25% should be for air and the water. We discussed about that also.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. So that's coming to the how much portion one should take. So we talked about that also. Now write it down. Which position also we discussed about it, right?
Yes,
Which
position also.
good, good. The position also we discussed about it. Now write it down how to cook the food and how to drink the water, like which utensil is suitable for keeping the water. How to cook the food and which utensil is suitable for the keeping the water. These two we're gonna cover. Write it down this first. So now after the position and chewing that properly, one should take chew the food properly. Then position we discuss about it. Now preparation is play very important role also. Now you learn how to eat it. Now the preparation of the food is very much important. The next level. You have seen like many people are getting right now. People are having the mostly the autoimmune disease. Autoimmune disease happen because of they don't know how to prepare the food. Even food preparation play very important role to preserve the nourishment, to preserve the prana in the food. We do what? Either we're gonna burn the food or either we overcook the food or the food. We don't know what is the proper of the food. And when you are having those kind of food, it never gonna give you the sattva gun of the or nutrition of the food. You never will get the nourishment of the food, because when you are cooking, most of the nourishment is basically vanished from the food while cooking. So a proper way of cooking one must know. So, and which utensil you are using it for cooking, that is also play important role. So most of the problem, especially for female and even the men also get iron deficiency, right? Anemia, anemic. They have the lack of the red blood cells in their body. They are having all the things in their body, but they don't know how to cook the food properly. They are eating healthy, but because they don't know how which utensil, how to cook it, they are killing the nourishment of the food. And then if you're eating afterward, you are giving yourself tamasic food, tamasic which doesn't have the sattva gun, which doesn't bring you the nourishment. We talked about the guna also, right? We completed that also.
No.
No, but yeah, I think Soumya mentioned this Triguna.
Okay. Is
You
it
mentioned
clear?
earlier
We were
Triguna,
talking.
but yeah,
But
but
based on food is not.
yes,
But, okay, let me remind this thing that I have mentioned the triguna with the tridosha.
yes,
That's that's I want to know. So it means, which I talked about it, that triguna basically is everywhere. Okay, tridosha is made of the triguna, which we talked about it, right? And how the triguna is making the five panch mahabhut, panch, five elements. Also, we talked about it, that thing. Uh, Also, one thing is important. When triguna is making everything, it means it contain in the food also. So when it contain in the food, it's called sattvic. Otherwise, it called sattva. So food which having the sattva gun high, we call sattvic food. You heard about it, this name. Sattvic food we have to eat, right? Many restaurant is opening and keep, selling these things also.
Yeah.
That yogi food, sattvic food. These are what? The food which having the sattva gun high. Sattva gun is what? The food which give you the nourishment, the food which give you the pleasantness, which give you the energy. That is a sattva gun. Rajasic food, which is mostly spicy. Lots of spices we are induced in the food, and we convert even sattvic food into the rajasic. So mostly all the spices come into the rajasic category, which induce the quick energy in your body. Tamasic, which make you lethargic, idle, sleepy, and angry, and these kind of food, or sour food, stale food, packet food, and the food which is not having the prana. Even bacteria is not eating them.
Preservatives. It has preservatives, right?
The food which preserve for longer period of time, it means they don't have prana energy in them. And when there is a lack of the prana, it won't give you the nourishment. Prana, because of the prana, it gonna ripen, it gonna die. But when there is no prana, you're gonna preserve the longer period of time. People love eating the McDonald's burger, and that is another KFC. I also went all these things. I used to eat these things, these garbage, but yes, now I'm little bit aware of these kind of food. Even bacteria is not eating them. If you keep the burgers and everything, hamburger outside, it's very difficult to they start going to the scaling or rotten. The procedure is very slow. It will take many time. So those food, chips, biscuit, these you can last for longer period of time. So there's no prana, there's no nourishment at all. So all the packets, whatever it's come into the packet, chips, biscuit, or I think everything is coming into the packets. Very hardly things are available. So, but in Indian market, we have the open things are available. But I know in European countries, everything is coming from the from distance. So most of the things in the packet. But understand, fresh and the freshly ripened fruits, freshly ripened vegetables, and fresh grains, fresh all the lentils, all these things. Even the if there's worms in your grains and worms in your pulses, it means those things should be edible. There is no harmful preservative, there is no harmful, powder to preserve for longer period of time. So it is a sign when you get the wounds in your, chickpeas or black peas or in your grains, in flour, हो जाता है ना, कीड़े पड़ जाते हैं. So it's a good sign. जहाँ कीड़े, it means हम खा सकते हैं. We can eat those things. The bacteria, even the worms, gonna eat those things which is suitable, which is when there is no chemical. That's it. It is a sign that you can eat also. So our mom used to do what? They give the sunlight to the pulses, green pea and chickpea, and then worms removed. That you can do also. But yes, it is a sign that there is no chemical. So these foods should not be taken by any person, any kind of prakriti, because if you're taking the tamasic food, you're gonna increase the tamogun in the body, and tamogun, if increased, you are getting the days, you get many diseases, because when there is a disease, coming to you lose appetite, you become lazy, you don't have energy. This is the symptoms of the disease. Even the disorder and the syndromes, these are the symptoms. So it's happened because of the tamogun is increased in the body also. So if you keep eating these the white flour, the white salt, and the white sugar, it means you're going to increase the tamogun in the body also. So ideal diet should be containing the raj or the sattvagun. Sattvagun for the diet for the people who are sitting for the meditation, who are doing the yoga practice seriously. Okay, they are decided that they have to choose the path of the yoga. They go in the society, they help the society, social worker or teacher, professor. These people are suitable for having the sattvic diet. They don't require the physical activity much. So sattvic diet is like very there's a less number, very few names in the sattvic diet, and I don't know the English name. So those who know the English name, write it down for the people who want to know the English name. So Loki, Tori, Ghia, then Parval, Kundru, these are the very sattvic, or एक पेठा होता है, पेठा, sattva, again high in the quality of the sattva gun. These are the names. Tori, Loki, Ghia, Tinde, all the lime green vegetables. These are the having this color show that they have the sattva gun. Okay, and it's sweet. Even if you take raw, it's sweet, little bit sweet. So this is the best thing, you can get the energy. Green pulses, and especially moong dal, jisko bolte hain. Moong dal sprout, if you make it sprout, that you can have it, increase the sattva in the person, increase the pran matlab the energy is very good when you are having them uncooked. So sprouts, I think all of you are aware, you can make mostly things, convert into the sprouts, all the pulses, but green pulses is ideal. Green pulses is the ideal for consuming, especially people who are teacher, professor, social worker, philanthropist, and those who doing the desktop, sitting in front of the laptop, sitting jobs, those who are having, they used to take the sattvic food. Okay, then these are the list. Then they can have cow desi milk. Cow desi milk they can have. Best, but happy cow, not this the cow which is living in the blocked room. That's cow milk is not good. but cow which is happy, which is roaming, to get your own cow, because Ayurveda keep talking about the miracles, miracles cure just by having the cow milk and cow ghee, tasty cow ghee. But if you don't get, there's a market in the market. There's a you get the cow milk also, but make sure it should be the local cow, desi local cow, not the breed cow. And desi local cow ghee should be taken by these people. Okay. Then curd come into the rajas category. Curd also can be taken by the yogi, but it should not be खट्टा हो जाता है ना, बोलते sour हो जाता है. It should not be become sour. It should be sweet,
It
fresh.
shouldn't turn sour.
It shouldn't turn sour, but make sure it should be fresh and sweet, and not packet curd or yogurt. Not sweet, flavorable, yogurt is available in the market. Not that curd, but freshly made curd, which in our home, our mom, they daily make it. So if you have that kind of culture, you can make it, but don't buy the packet one. They don't give you anything. You're just gonna waste your money on them. So curd also can be taken by these people. Okay, according to their job, according to their occupation, they have to take these time. Rajasic food should be taken by this. Yes, I forget about the spices. Right now, the sattvic spices. So spices,
Voice is not clear.
fennel,
Yes, can you repeat?
Fennel
Your voice was cracking.
and cumin, black pepper, turmeric, ठीक. अभी ठीक आ रही है, मैंने वीडियो बंद. Now everybody can hear me.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Can you repeat after the
What
curd
happened?
discussion?
I'm audible to everyone now.
Yes.
I'm audible to everyone. Om Shanti. I'm audible to everyone.
Yes.
Yes, but your voice is still cracking a little.
Yeah. Let me check. Just give me a time. I'll try to convert the mode. अब ठीक आ रहा है? ओम शांति.
Yes.
Okay, fine, good. तो हाँ, कहाँ पर थे हम?
Rajasic food.
हाँ,
Curd.
After the cook.
yeah. Tamasic food is clear to everyone and sattvic food is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay. So now come to the Rajasic. So people who are, doing day-to-day activity and they are doing the like something like fighting, being a soldier, you have to fight, or there's such a movement you are, hitting the gym or doing the other forms of the activity, which required, more protein, more other kind of things. So that those people, any kind of movements related activity, movements related occupation they are doing it, they require Rajasic food. Okay, so Rajasic food, especially for the people, so we consider like Sattvic food for the yogi, Rajasic for the bhogi, and Tamasic food for the rogi. So those who want to be a rogi matlab sick person, they have to take the sick food. Those who want to enjoy, seeking the pleasure, do the party, again you require the healthy body, right? Those they have to take the Rajasic food, and those who want to go into the path of the yoga, they have to choose the sattvic food, research or some kind of liberation, spirituality, or studying. So they have to choose the sattvic food because it brings the more concentration in the sattvic food. So now Rajasic food, so garlic, onion, and coffee, tea, chocolates, and these are the uh, other rest of the spices like chilies, red chilies, then red chilies, then jitne bhi hing, write it down the English name if you know. Asafoetida, I think we call hing, and
Asafoetida.
yeah, hing, asafoetida, and then ajwain. I don't know what called salvation. I think maybe salvation.
Cumin seed, I think.
These spices should be considered to be a Rajasic, which give heat-related spices, which give you the quickly. No, cumin is jeera. को जीरा बोलते हैं.
Carom seed.
हाँ, carom. So spices which create the heat in the body, that considered to be the Rajasic. All hot related food considered to be a Rajasic. So all the pulses except the moong dal, all the pulses come into the Rajasic category, or the pulses which grow in the Himachal, Uttarakhand, and especially the cold environment, those considered to be a Rajasic food. Okay. So all the heat related spices and the food considered to be a Rajasic food. So there's a long list of the Rajasic food. I cannot go through one by one, but understand when we talked about the heat, it means they are the Rajasic. Tamasic, okay, Sattvic and Rajasic all can be a Tamasic because you packed them, you killed all the nutrition value, it's become Tamasic. You store into the fridge, food become Tamasic. You store for the longer, after 3 hours, you start eating the food, it's converted into the Tamasic. Stale food, Tamasic. No matter whatever food you are eating it, Sattvic or Rajasic, it can convert it into the Tamasic by how you are preparing, which utensil you are using, and which intention, market, which bhav. खाना बनाने में भी भाव we are using it. Which intention you are putting when you are cooking. Okay, so these are the three types of food and three types of personality according them. If you take the sattvic, you go into the yoga mart, you would be the yogi. If you eat rajasic, you become bhogi, great level of bhogi. healthy person who want to enjoy the life, if you eat food, all the packets, fridge, the food, whatever you store in the fridge, after cooking it, then it becomes the tamasic. So this thing, if you're doing, you become rogi. Okay, food also. This much understood?
Yes. Did you mention any? You were mentioning about some spices for Sattvic. I think I missed it. Like, have you mentioned?
Yes,
No.
yes, I have mentioned cumin, black pepper. Black pepper is also called the black gold. So much important. So black pepper, cardamom, and turmeric, and ginger. No, ginger come into the Rajasi category, but how you gonna use the ginger, it can also become the sattvic also. Honey, also the sattva, having the sattva gun. Milk, also having the sattva gun. Then others, I think these are the most important spices which have the tamas good. Into the tamas, how you make the not turmeric which available in the market. It is not the sattva, carrying the sattva gun, carrying the rajagun. Why? Because how you prepare the powder, how you make the powder of the spices, convert into from rajagun. Am I clear? Procedure of making of anything. Sattu can convert into Raj, Raj can convert, or Sattu can convert into the Tam. It can be possible. How making procedure of making it. So raw turmeric, root turmeric is considered to be the raw form, that considered to be a sattvic one. Raw honey, the raw fresh honey from the bull, and it's not even the pure honey. I cannot claim that they are carrying the sattu gun, but maybe raj or tam gun, depend how much chemical they are using it, how, what is the procedure of making the honey, they're exploiting the bee or what they are doing it, in that depend on that. Same way. No. All of you can hear me?
Yes, I think.
Soloni, only you can hear me.
No,
Able to
we
hear,
can
but
hear you,
Your
but
voice is
voice is still
breaking.
cracking.
yes.
God. It's so pathetic, all the food gone. I'm busy doing the everything. I don't know what happened. Network's coming and going, coming. Anybody know any technique to come out from that kind of issue?
Of
If you are
internet.
Everyone, no? Now, okay, if you can hear me, if you can do the your session, because I don't know you are able to hear me or not, and write it down all the questions. Maybe when network come tomorrow session, I'll cover all the question. Okay, I'll log out and log in. I'll try this. अभी ठीक है पूजा? You can hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
अच्छा, अब ठीक आवाज आ रहा है, दिखाई भी दे रही
Yes, yes.
है? बाकी बच्चे तो गायब हो गए.
Don't know. Ma'am, if you're using Airtel, you can use your own Airtel, which switch to postpaid, ma'am. Unlimited net you will get.
Dear, I'm using the Wi-Fi. I'm in the school.
Okay, okay. One more thing. If Wi-Fi current is also not there, you can use the Wi-Fi UPS, like for the disconnection, ma'am. Power disconnection.
I didn't get you. UPS Wi-Fi. It means what?
If there is current issue, and there is no need to connect to the generator or something like that, only that will be charged backup power for the internet directly.
Okay, okay. You are talking about maybe there's a light issue, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not a case with the here, the Wi-Fi. Here we get the inverter, generator, everything. But because
You
school
can
is
use
located,
a signal
yeah.
Wi-Fi signal booster machine maybe.
Send me the name of, I'll send to the management. They arrange for everything because classes are very much important for them also. So if you come up with any kind of solution to boost the network, because daily
You
we are
cannot, as in if you have Wi-Fi at some particular place, then you can use a Wi-Fi signal booster. So it will just, increase the range of the Wi-Fi.
okay, okay, okay. I'll let them know about it.
But I think due to the poor weather that we have here right now in Dehradun, Rishikesh, network issue is there.
Yeah, that is the issue because every time we call them, they said, "Ma'am, पीछे से है." कितना
Yeah,
पीछे
I
से?
know. I've been facing the same issue of the Wi-Fi
Yeah.
because
So,
of the weather.
good. तो पीछे वाला मुझे आइडिया नहीं है how we can come out from that because I think school have everything. तो वो booster वगैरह सब है शायद, पर मैं एक बार पूछ लूंगी. I'll gonna ask them again. Okay. चलिए आ जाते हैं, हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? Yes, we are talking about the सात्विक राजसिक
Turmeric.
टर्मरिक के बारे में बात. So root, raw turmeric and the organic turmeric, if you will get, that is sattvic, but the powder turmeric which you are using right now, it's convert into the rajasic. So understand the procedure play very important role from like for example, all the juices you are getting when you use the fruits mostly have the sattva gun high, but when you make the juice, it become rajasic. So the more you process the food, more it gonna lose the nutrition, more it gonna lose the pranic energy, and then it go from the sattva to tamasic. This much
So
is
we can
understood.
say that sattvic food is fresh food and even the raw food, right? We process it a little, it becomes rajasic, and then we further process it and add preservatives to it, so it becomes tamasic.
But the list which I have given you, that
Yeah.
is that should be food for the yogi.
Okay.
It's strictly mentioned. There's a list of the food items who is practicing the meditation, and they cannot have all the rajasic food. But there's one more point. If you become Buddha, if you become Ram, if you become Krishna, that level you achieve, no matter what you are having it, nothing gonna affect you. Your energy make everything, even the tamasic food, sattvic food, impure water become pure when they gonna have it. It's a higher level of the siddhi, which affect their food, which affect their drinking, which affect everything. So men have the power, human being having that kind of power. If even the food is contaminated, impure, they have those things that it can become pure. It can become pure sattvic because of their own energy. But initial level, because we are not in that stage, so we have to choose wisely, consciously, that whatever activity I'm doing it. If you're going for meditation, eat the sattvic, the list which I have given you. Among them, you can choose it. If you are practicing the Ashtanga, Vinyasa, flow, hardcore practice, so much activity, you have to sweat a lot. In that kind of activity you are doing daily, so Rajasic food, or you are a warrior, you have to fight or do something these kind of things. So in that you have to take the Rajasic food. And yes, tamasic, so all the food can be become the tamasic. Even the intention you change, no, you are cooking the best moong ki dal. Obviously we are jayenge what kind of utensil and how intention, what kind of intention should be maintained when you're cooking the food. That also we're gonna talk about it. So this much is clear to everyone. यहाँ तक तो समझ में आ गया ना चीज.
Yeah.
Go. तो थोड़ा अभी 10 मिनट है तो लिख लो एक और चीज. Write it down, one more thing. Utensil. Best utensil for cooking the food. The best utensil for cooking the food.
What about vegetarian and non-vegetarian food?
Acha, chicken, non-vegetarian and vegetarian food. Understand, when you use the non-veg in your diet, you kill somebody. And when you kill somebody, they die out of fear. And when you are having the fear, you release certain kind of chemical in the body. Even the trees release certain kind of chemical when they die, when they figure out that they're gonna die, and somebody's cutting them, and some kind of chemical secrete in there immediately in all the leaves of the tree. It's kind of poison. Okay, but in human, especially trees leaves having the less poison comparative to these the animals which having the emotions, more emotions. So if you're eating those emotions, understand, emotions means chemical. You feel certain kind of emotions because there is certain chemicals. So when you feel the fear of death, it secretes certain kind of chemical in your body, and that chemical stuck in the each tissues. Okay, each tissues. So fearful chemical, the chemical which is secreted by, because you are having the fear of death, stuck, and you die. You die out of pain. Nobody is very happy. Oh, I'm gonna eat today. Nobody's saying.
But that is also food cycle, no?
Yes.
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. But understand, for human beings, especially we are talking about it. So first understand this thing, then we're gonna talk about why other animals are eating and why we shouldn't be eating. That's we're gonna talk about later on. But this much you have to understand. So what happened when you're eating those kind of the unhappy food? Unhappy. He's unhappy. He's going to die. He's not very much happy. Or rather, make them happy. Oh, you are going to kill today. Just enjoy. Give your body to me. Make them do the meditation, so they peacefully gonna die. Animals cannot do these things. They die out of fear. They get the pain, suffering during their death, and then they have certain kind of chemical which deposit in their tissue. And then you are eating those things, no matter how you properly washed, what kind of chemical you used, you cannot flush out those chemical deposits in the tissues, in the muscles, in the flesh of the animal. And then you're eating, and then later on you get more anxiety, more disorder, more depression, more fear. Why? Because you're eating that kind of food. That's why I talk about take the happy cow milk, not the cow which exploited, especially the modern cows which keep in the blocked room and tortured for the and putting the injection for giving. Somebody's mute themselves. The noise is coming. Okay. Yes, RS Rahul. I hope so. You are Rahul, right?
Yeah, I'm Rahul. But see, all this veggie, leaf vegetables, all the vegetables, chemicals are there.
Yeah.
No
That-
choice.
Okay.
Same like a non-vegetarian, we are also eating
I
bacteria and
think
vegetarians,
vegetarian
everything.
has more chemicals than
More chemicals.
non-vegetarian
Yes,
food.
yes, Anusha, you are right.
Good question. Okay.
Yeah.
In that case, eat non-veg then. No.
No, means it's your choice. Eating vegetarian, eating non-vegetarian, it's
just
personal
just a
choice.
question,
Uh,
like let's say we live here, okay, so fresh food, vegetables and everything's available to us, yes, but there are countries like even here in India, in the mountainous area, there's a snowfall, right? All the roads and everything get blocked. They cannot they're not able to grow the food. How much will they store, right? So they have to consume non-veg. So that means people living there cannot go into yoga and meditation, is it?
Good. Very good, Anushka. You asked many questions in a one row. It's very difficult to answer in
Sorry,
one.
sorry. Okay,
one.
one question is just that since you are saying that people who practice yoga and meditation should stay away from non-veg food, right? You said that there are chemicals and everything. So
I'm
just
not saying
simply,
anything. I'm saying the best food. Now the
Even
poison
the
is everywhere.
even the
Like
best
poison is
food.
in the food chain. It's like whatever you're growing, they grow with the poison. Like we are giving them all the things. Even plants getting the more
Even the
chemicals.
milk,
That's true. But
even the
Can
milk
I just
also,
say, can I just say something here? Because I don't agree that, you know, you can't be yogi, you can't be sattva if you eat meat, because animals don't have a choice, basically. You know,
yes.
it's not ethical. And particularly now, the way animals are farmed, it's not ethical. So, you know, it's hypocritical, and part of being yogi is about being honest with yourself. You know, you have to face up to these things and to the suffering caused to animals. That's part of being a yogi. And also, meat is very hard to digest, and it is very bad for you.
yeah, that's
But
true.
the
Means
same
it's an
question
individual
we're
choice actually.
having, yeah, but the question that I was having was that there are places, right, where only meat is the source of food available to people.
Yes, especially mountainian areas.
Mountain areas, because it
Yes,
snow, there's a snowfall, the roads are entirely blocked. They cannot get any supply of food since there's snow. They're not able to grow. Untimely snowfall even kills the crops that they've grown. So all they're left is with the meat to eat. So I don't know that if they
I
only
think
get that source of food, then can't they practice all this?
I think you know, what you're saying is true, but for instance, in Tibetan culture where meat wasn't available, they still realized how important a vegetarian diet was. You know, that's part of the Buddhist teaching there, and meat was the main diet in that area. You know, it's about approach and it's about respect, I think.
I feel the intention. What exactly is your intention to kill the crops or the animal? That it's more important. If you have good intention, means I am vegetarian, but yeah, I can understand. Means if we are talking about the sattvic food, or what about those people? Those people are eating non-vegetarian. They are might be more disciplined than us.
Yeah, and I feel Sattvic, since ma'am mentioned, Sattvic is more about freshness of the food, right? It's related more to the freshness. And so I think even if you're eating, let's say, fresh meat, now if you're eating meat that has been stored for a very long time, so obviously it will be harmful. There are places in Bengal where their main food is fish, right? So if I think their only food is
Yes.
fish and rice is what they eat.
Yes, yes.
So it's the source of everything for them. They do not have access to everything that we here have available with us, and now we even get all the off-season vegetables and fruits. So in those areas, I think we cannot say that okay, non-vegetarian food should not be consumed.
Even the cow milk also means, especially in India, you can see every chalk and choraha, cow is eating rubbish.
Yes, agreed. And we cannot say anything about, we cannot do anything about it.
Mhm. In India, cow is like, oh my God. It's 7:30.